Yeah, hello guys. Now we will talk about the difference about the CPA firms and the Charter Accountant Office. Okay, KGA. Okay, the name in Indonesia is the Kantor Akuntan Publik (KAP) CPA firms. Yeah, Charter Accountant Office is the Kantor Jasa Akuntan. Okay, now we will talk about the how to open the CPA firms. Yeah, one is the must. You have to get the title of the CPA in your name, of course. CPA, Certified Public Accountant. If you have this title, you actually officially can have an audit. The assurance service and non-assurance service to be precise. And yes, for the Charter Accountant Office, you have to get the title of CA, Charter Accountant. Yeah. So for this title, it's not that difficult if you compare with the CPA, yeah, in the quantity of the module, the quality of the exam, yeah, the question. This is the CPA have more qualification about the study case, yeah, the real case actually, but not in the CA. Yeah. CA only consists of the knowledge of your accountant only, but in the CPA you have to solve the study case. Yeah, it's very difficult. Yeah, many of them is fail, but yeah, of course, if you study enough, have experience enough with the certified public accountant works, yeah, it's not have any problem at all. Yes, but if in the chartered accountant, yeah, in the level, if you only the fresh graduate, actually you can take this exam and you can pass and you get the title of the CA. Not that difficult. Yeah. And for the second difference is in the CPA firms, you can actually have the assurance service and non-assurance service, like I told before. But in the KGA, in the Chartered Accountant Office, you only have the non-assurance service, yeah, like the bookkeeping, yeah, the tax, yeah, the consulting management, yeah. So it is like here, yeah, you only got this part, yeah, only got this part, yeah, the non-assurance service only. You cannot do this assurance service, yeah. So if you have the KGA, yeah, Kantor Jasa Accountant, you can only provide the non-assurance service. But actually, it's not bad, especially in Indonesia. This kind of service is really wow. The demand is really high, and yes, you can have money, of course. Yeah, so many of my friends actually resign from their office. Yeah, actually from the CPA firms, they actually resign and open the KGA because it's much more safety and profitable. Yeah. Of course, the assurance service have more profit because, and yeah, the degree is different with the non-assurance service. Yes, and yes, that's the second differences. And okay, this is the big difference. The CPA firms can do the audit, but the KGA cannot do the audit. Yeah, it cannot. Yeah, that's the biggest difference. But why? Yeah, why in Indonesia this kind of service is really the demand is really high because once again, yeah, the main income of the Indonesia is based on the tax, and of course all of the company now, yeah, if you register or not, you have to pay tax. Even you not open the company, you only the private person, yeah. But you have the income, very big income, you have to pay the tax. And how to calculate it? You cannot have the wrong calculation. If you have the wrong calculation, like the under calculation, yeah, you pay the under calculation, you have to pay the penalty, yeah, in the future, yeah. So yes, the tax service is really high. The demand every month, yeah, every year. And the others is the consulting management. It's really popular right now because of the startup. Startup company have to get the knowledge how to do their business, and so they need some other professional field, yeah, to get how to run their business, how to run more effectively, more efficiently. Yes, management consulting. As of course, like I said before in the chapter 1 video, the accounting and bookkeeping, it's kind of popular, yeah, because once again, not many startup business have the accounting, don't have any bookkeeping, so they hire the professional one. Yeah, the KGA, it's the most the budget version, yeah, but the quality is the same. So I want to say the CPA firms in here, if you compare the fee with the KGA, it's of course cheaper. The KGA is cheaper than the CPA, yeah, because only consists the non-assurance service. Yeah, so rather yet you hire some accountant to work in your office, if you only have the simple business, small business, but you have to do the bookkeeping, the accounting job, you just need to hire the KGA. Yeah, there is no harm. And of course, this is the professional one to create your bookkeeping. Yeah, that's a really nice offer. That's why so many people right now open the KGA. It's very profitable. Yeah, and the risk is not that high that if you compare with the CPA, because they don't offer any assurance service, only non-assurance. There is no risk like the KAP. Okay, that's the big difference about the KAP and the KGA. So about the next video, I will talk about the regulation. Okay, see you in the next video.